Hi, and welcome back to Fresh BCSC Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you another one of my favorite Chrome extensions, and this one helps with engagement, with focus, or for taking a break. So a lot of us are engaged or disengaged by sounds. What might be something that helps you focus might actually be something that's distracting to someone else. So if you want to have a tool that kind of provides a flexible background noise option, and one that your students could utilize as well, there is a really awesome Chrome extension out there called Noisli, and you can add it in the Chrome Web Store. So if I go to the Chrome Web Store and search for Noisli, what Noisli does is it allows you to create playlists or just use music they have there or background noises. You can set a timer and it will play that for an amount of time. So it could even be just a movement reminder. It could be something that helps you focus during a task, or it could even be something that helps you calm down. They have different sounds depending on your mood. So I'll add Noisli, and to use it, I'll click the top button here. It says Noisli, and it gives me different options. You might have to create an account the first time. I already have one, so that's why it's already showing that there. But after I have an account, it will give me the option. These are ones that are already made for me. There is a paid version of Noisli. I have never used that, and I use this tool all the time when I'm trying to focus. So it's something that you could do, but you don't necessarily need to break the bank to be able to use this tool. So if I want to use Noisli, I can set the timer for how long I want the background noise to play, and I can select what type of background noise I want. So if I click relax, it's actually storming here outside right now, so it's kind of funny. It's giving me a raining background noise. All right. So to stop that, I'll go to a different sound. It'll give me a different one. And I can stop it. But otherwise, it would play for 25 minutes. If I go to my favorites, I can actually create my own combos of different sounds in Noisli. So if I do create a combo, it will open in a new tab. And this is where it shows all of these different noises. So if I wanted to make some different background noises, let's do the coffee shop, that one, and maybe some birds. It's like I'm outside at Starbucks, still have the Starbucks noise, but also nature. And I could save my playlist here, and that would be one of my favorites, one of my combos. I can save it. Enter, and now I have that noise. So whenever I open the Noisli app, I can select that from one of my favorite noises. If you want to follow or look at ones they already have made, there's playlists here that you can use for free, or the ones you can pay for. But that is how you can use Noisli.